Hi guys, I'm Nai Chong here from Carpenter Design Group, and today I'm going to show you my new design at the Ripple Bay, Pasir Ris. Come, I'm going to show you. Let's go. The theme of the design is a colonial style Scandi boho. In the living area, the island acts as a main focal point for homeowners to gather around for social activities. To add some texture to the space, we added hints of rattan. Kitchen cabinet come with shaker door design and gold accent to bring out that European feeling. To keep things visually interesting, we utilize Peranakan inspired tiles. To mix things up a bit, we went with a more luxurious concept for the bathrooms. It featured a lot of marble inspired tiles with gold features like the shower set, wall lights and mirror, which makes the whole area visually bigger and brighter. For the master bedroom, we create a doorway to the neighboring room to create a walk-in wardrobe. The wardrobe features a shaker door design in a cream coffee color, which acts as a calming feature of the main bedroom.
Carpentry.